Before starting mastering diabetes, my A1C went from 7.1 to 5.4. My weight, I have lost maybe 12 pounds since, but I mean, that's a lot. That's more than I've ever lost. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I basically have always pretty much been overweight all my life. I never had diabetes until 2018. I had a stroke. Trying to figure out what caused the stroke, a lot of things started coming up. And I went to the doctor every year for blood work and nothing ever showed up. I was told that I had high levels of glucose and that I was pre-diabetic and was referred to a dietitian. And since 2018, I've been trying to figure out what's going on. And I came across Robbie in a YouTube video that I stumbled upon, and I've been following him since 2020. And I just decided, because this other form of dietitians telling you not to eat carbs and all that good stuff, the drill. I felt that this could help me. And within 3 months, my life changed. The first few weeks of mastering diabetes really wasn't as bad as I thought, because I had already transitioned into eating plant-based foods, not 100%, but about 75%. So it really wasn't that hard for me, but it was a change that it felt very overwhelming at the beginning. But once I realized my why to having to do this, it was okay. It worked out. So from the beginning in 2018, my A1C was 7.1. And when I started following Robbie is when I realized I could maybe work on getting these numbers down through watching all his mastering diabetes videos. I started on my own. I pretty much cleared out my refrigerator and my pantry and got rid of all the junk stuff, that processed boxed food and all that. And meal prepping, beans and lentils and quinoa and all those good things for you. It jumped from like 7.1 to like 6.2, I guess, in a couple of years. That's before I even had any coaching. When I finally decided, I started in October or November of last year, like really looking at the Mastering Diabetes videos, and I was checking my glucose daily. I would say within a week and a half of really being on the program is when I noticed that my numbers were dropping. That really validated that this program, Mastering Diabetes, works. Besides going to the gym 3 times a day, spinning, twice a day, that kind of stuff. This here is manageable. If you have a life, I have 8 grandchildren, we're always busy with the grandchildren, and I can't be at the gym 3 times a day like I did before. So this definitely is a program that you can work with, having other activities that also need to be dealt with. So yeah, mastering diabetes has definitely changed my life. Before starting mastering diabetes, my A1C went from 7.1 to 5.4. My weight, I have lost maybe 12 pounds since, but I mean, that's a lot. That's more than I've ever lost. I was taking metformin twice a day, 500 milligrams. Since the Mastering Diabetes program, I have stopped metformin medications. And hopefully I will be taken off of the other medications. The Mastering Diabetes program is 100% an investment to the rest of your life. And knowing that I am able to wake up in the morning and check my blood sugars and they're not 130, 120, it means a lot. It's actually an easier approach. I mean, I have cut up vegetables in the refrigerator. I have, fruits. I mean, it's not sitting in your kitchen 2 hours cooking a meal that takes 2 hours. Everything's accessible there for you to eat raw. The plant-based approach was a lot easier than I anticipated. Very easy. I would ask them to give themselves the investment of a lifetime and to get into the Mastering Diabetes program. It definitely works.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.